Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to go ahead to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This countertop stylings, electric fryers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, they are about like 17 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are about like 11.5 inches tall. And the length of the unit is about like 22 inches in total. So we can see they have a two split basket, and they do have an individual control system for each of the basket. And we have a temperature adjuster on the top, and the indicator lights on top to showing you the machine is running. And also the units using the standard 110 plugs. So the manufacturer give you the preset of plugs right here. And when we open the top lids, we can see they have an individual basket inside too. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side. For this basket, it coming two from the manufacturers, so they are on the same sizes. It's about like 7 inches wide, 8 inches long, 4 inches deep. And for this burning oil space, they are about like a 9 and 1/4 inches wide, and 12 inches long, and the depth almost about like 6 inches in total. This will be the all demonstration information about these products, and if you do have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.